Some updates from the Parliament. In Parliament, flood mitigation projects were among the main issues raised. The Energy Transition and Water Transformation Ministry has applied under the 13th Malaysia Plan to implement a flood mitigation project using nature-based solutions. Deputy Minister Akmal Nasrullah Muhammad Nasir explained that the initiative involves preparing a feasibility study and conceptual design based on scientific modelling, which will guide relevant technical agencies. The National Water Research Institute of Malaysia, in collaboration with Dutch experts through the Dutch Disaster Risk Reduction and Search Support Programme, conducted engagement sessions and a study on the effectiveness of nature-based solutions from March to June last year.
Kajian ini merangkumi strategi pengurusan endapan sungai, penggunaan sistem nahrim environmental dredging system bagi kawalan sedimen, pemodelan konsep bandar serapan banjir atau sponge city, pembangunan pendirian tempatan selaras dengan strategi transformasi sektor air 2040 serta pelaksanaan penuaian air hujan.
Akmal noted that nature-based solutions are not new, having long been applied in infrastructure projects such as the Irrigation and Drainage Department dams, which provide both flood mitigation and water supply for agriculture.